Hey guys, Andre with Pinnacle Credit here, and I'm just, trying to be transparent with you guys. I'm showing you an email. I'm doing a screen record from my device at home, and as you can see, here's a history of, you know, of an update. This is like kind of an example of, you know, um, what we send our clients via email. As you can see, it's a long email. This is what we sent to the client right here, and this is basically just kind of an update and some advices that we give them during the process, and we just want them to know like what we're doing, right? That's really important. So let's, obviously this is his email here, right there. Um, let's go down all the way to the most recent email, which is 2 days ago, right? So if we look, here's his email. As you can see, this is like real stuff. May 1st. It was sent on May 1st, 2 days ago. This is his email, so he's a real guy. And let's look at what he read. I mean, let's read what he sent. Andre, thanks for all your work. I keep seeing positive updates to my scores. 699 to 700 now. It helps that now the GM Financial is off the book. So any of you guys that had any charge off or collection, any creditor named GM Financial, well, here's the proof for you that we can remove it. Okay. Let me know if there are any updates on that. I haven't seen an official announcement on Identity IQ, but I know it's in processing, and these things take time. Okay, so this is a great client because, for one, he's patient, he's appreciative, and he sent me this amazing email, which is great. And he's also, as you can see here, he's following our advice, right? Well, he's underneath 50%, but he needs to be below 9%. So I got to go back and tell him to do that. But anyway, look, he's doing well. And yeah, this is just an update to show you guys, that we're the real deal. We help people. There shouldn't be any doubt in your minds now. This is just one client. We have so many of these, but I just picked, one that was, 2 days ago. So this is a great one. Obviously, I can't show everything. Not everyone sends emails like this and stuff like that. But, keep in mind that, credit is important, and you got to pick the best company. So we want to show you like what we do here, and this is a way for me to reach out to you guys and give you that peace of mind and showing you that, hey, this is how we talk with our customers. And oh yeah, by the way, here is, here's a screenshot. As you can see, positive accounts. Okay, so this is an update for him. See, items are, in dispute here. Dispute, positive, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, so you get the point, right? So guys, whoops, didn't want to share that personal message. If you guys, find some value in this video, drop a comment. Go to my website, pinnaclecreditrepair.com, and send us your credit karma and stuff like that. If you need anyone to fix your credit, reach out to us and we can get the job done. Our number is 858-252-6053.